Can an archbishop be subjected to investigation by the law enforcement authorities? Yes, in Zambia the doctrine is simple and undefeated. No one is above the law, not celebrities, not clerics, not even the head of state. Now, before anyone jumps in shouting objection, yes, the president enjoys constitutional immunity, but let's be precise like proper lawyers. Presidential immunity is not a get out of jail free card. It's more of a pause button. The president cannot be subjected to legal proceedings while in office. However, once the immunity is removed, the law can knock, enter and sit down and prosecute. So when we say no one is above the law, we don't mean no one is ever accountable. We mean no one commits an offense and walks away scot-free. The law may wait but never forget. Now, let's move from the state house to the sanctuary. What about other high-profile figures like an archbishop? Here's where it gets spicy. An archbishop is not protected under the constitution. There is no cross title divine immunity or holy exemption section 12. Therefore, bishops, pastors, apostles, deacons, prophets, and general overseers are fully subject to the law of the land. Yes, they may preach the word, anoint with oil, but if the fact is anointed with illegality, the law will still lay hands. If a bishop is found wanting, the law can visit him, sit him down, ask questions, and if the evidence checks out, convict and sentence him. Heaven may be patient, the courts are procedural. Now to the matter causing tremors in both the legal and religious communities. For the first time in the Zambia's history, an archbishop has been summoned by the Drug Enforcement Commission (DEC) for investigations relating to an allegedly dubious required V8 SUV. Naturally, the summons has triggered mixed reaction. Some are quoting scriptures, others are quoting the constitution, a few are quoting Facebook lawyers, a dangerous species. But let's ground ourselves in law, not emotions. A summons is not a conviction. An investigation is not a persecution, and a clerical collar is not a shield against the statutory inquiry. The law is blind, it does not see titles, it doesn't read ropes, it doesn't kneel before pulpits. Before the law, we are all equal, so regardless of personal opinions, political sympathies, or theological leanings, one principle remains non-negotiable. The law is the law, and in Zambia it applies to everyone. Amen and adjourned.